Well, my primary concern at the beginning was how sharp are the guys going to be coming off almost a 3 week break. This is our first game in the new year. So medyo concerned ako kung paano nila lalaroin yung first game namin. We've had good practices but iba pa rin pag makita mo dun sa laro. No? So, we had a good first quarter actually. No? Maganda yung start namin. But we had a really bad second quarter. That's when we lost the 23-point lead. But what's good about it is it's a game of runs, and we were able to get enough runs for ourselves to win the game. The last time na nakalaban namin tong Blackwater, tinambakan nila kami. So that was additional motivation for us in our preparation for this game. Alam namin may capacity sila to play really well. We're also trying to ride on our winning run. Sa amin ang importante makarating ng next round. Ang tingin namin 7 wins will assure you of a slot in the playoffs in the next round. So we have 5 wins now. We're just looking to play and win another one. Get as close to 7 as we can, as early as we can. So yun lang ang iniisip namin.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Adrian, na-mention na nga ni Coach Yeng, naka 5-game winning streak na kayo with this win today. Ano ba para sa'yo ang pinaka-nakakatulong in terms of being able to continue this streak?
Sa akin, yung tingin ko nakakatulong is yung transition. So yun yung unang-unang pundasyon namin, yung transition. So doon kami nakakuha ng mga easy basket.
Oo. Tapos Adrian, we also saw your capacity on offense in every game. Pero today, nagpakita ka rin ng konting acrobatic shots. Saan yun nagagaling and what more can we see from you?
Birthday kasi nung asawa ko bukas. Siya yung happy birthday, sir. I love you. And siguro yung family ko.
Thank you, Adrian. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, yung na-mention mo yung last game nyo, si George King din kasi gumawa ng Mighty 64, no? So was that also...
Yeah, pinag-uusapan namin yun doon sa game preparation namin, and we also watched the tape nung tinalo niya kami. Kahit anong klaseng depensa gawin namin, talaga pumapasok yung tira niya. But of course, you only have to try harder. Ganun lang naman talaga. Yun nga, si Adrian nag-acrobatic pa sa mga ano niya. Basta birthday pala ng asawa nito, nag-acrobatic. But yun, even if we were playing well that time, nung tinalo nila kami, maganda na nilalaro namin nun, pero tinalo pa rin nila kami ng ganun kalaki. So, parang pareho yung sitwasyon namin today. We were playing well. We had a 4-game winning streak before this game. Ang hirap maulit nung gagawin ulit nila na gano'n. So, nasa isip namin yun habang naglalaro kami. Sana ma-prevent namin na ulitin nila sa amin yung gano'n.
Coach, kinda unconventional yung starting 5 mo and they responded, especially Anton.
Maganda nga yung starting 5 namin. No? Inulit ko rin after the first half. We went back to our starting 5 because they gave us the edge nung sa una. On both ends, they were just doing their jobs, offense and defense. Tapos, nakita mo yung effort ni Kaylan sa pagdepensa kay George King. So sa umpisa pa lang talagang sinet na ni Kaylan yung tono ng pagdepensa sa kanya. Actually, mas maraming nakuhang free throw si George King kaysa sa puntos niya on the field. Of course, that was not the plan, but we were just trying to make it difficult for him to score baskets. But alam namin na titira yan ng 25 shots a game.
Coach, you play Phoenix on Saturday. Yung last stretch ng games against team sa ilalim.
Mm.
Yung last two games, so coach, medyo may mga rough patches kayo. But how will you try to stay consistent this time against Phoenix, especially if they're coming up
Yeah.
a win?
Hindi naman kasi nawawala yung mga rough patches. Ang importante sa akin, whenever you go through those, you're not going to collapse or you're not going to slide all the way down to a loss. No? Pwedeng magka-rough patches pero nakakabalik ka or nakakabawi ka. Kasi ganun talaga ang basketball eh. Wala ka naman mailalaro. Very rare siguro maglalaro ka perfectly na all the way through lumalamang ka at palaki ng palaki yung lamang mo. Very rare yun. Dadaan ka talaga sa mga rough patches, sabi natin. But how do you react to those adversities? So, sa akin, tinitignan ko, kaya bang bumalik? Meron ba silang toughness, no, to withstand those adversities? Nakikita ko nagkakaroon na ng toughness yung team namin.
Coach, update lang po kay Kaylan, parang hindi na po yan siya nakabalik ako.
Actually, tinanong ko kung pwede siyang maglaro. Sabi niya, pwede naman kung kailangan. So, hindi naman siya kinailangan towards the end game dahil under control naman. May double digit lead kami all the way through. So, hindi ko na siya sinugal. Pero, ang sabi sa akin na kung kailangan, pwede siya maglaro. So, tignan natin assessment ng mga PT namin kung gaano ka-serious yung nangyari sa kanya.
Adrian, ayun nga na-mention yung last game ninyo against Blackwater where George King basically performed very well para matambakan kayo. You only had 9 points in that game and today you had 22. Adrian, can you talk about the difference in approaches ng game na yun? I know it's been months, but the difference in your approach from that game to this game, how different was your approach for you to perform better dito sa meeting ninyo ulit ng Blackwater?
Sa akin, ano naman nag-stick lang palagi ako sa sinasabi ng mga coach sa game plan namin. So yun nga, sabi nga ni coach, maganda rin naman yung laro namin nung last game na nakalaban namin sila. Pero yun nga, mas maganda yung nilaro nung kalaban. So yun lang naman, wala naman ako ibang parang pare-parehas naman yung approach ko sa nag-stick lang ako palagi sa game plan ng mga coaches.
Coach, thank you. Coach, thank
Sige.
you. Thank you.